Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming materials: premium sticker vinyl, fine point blade, and a clean standard grip mat. Load your design in Design Space and set material to vinyl so cutting, pressure, and speed match. This prevents tearing. Once done, mirror only if cutting, iron on. For sticker vinyl, leave as is. Place vinyl face up on the mat, smooth from center to edges to remove bubbles, and align at 0 degrees rotation. Then load the mat and run a small test cut to verify settings before committing to the full job. You now move into weeding and prepping for transfer. This is the detailed part. Start by removing background vinyl carefully with a hook or weeding tool. Use bright light to spot tiny islands and negatives. Once weeded, place transfer tape over the design and squeegee from center outward with firm strokes. This ensures consistent adhesion and avoids trapped air. Make sure to trim any registration marks and check fine details, especially thin lines and 1/8 inch edges, because they often lift during application, if not firmly attached. You finish by applying the sticker vinyl to a clean, dry surface. Wipe with isopropyl alcohol and let dry. Position the transfer taped design, press center down, and squeegee outward to force out air. Then peel transfer tape back slowly at a 45 degrees angle while holding the vinyl in place. Once applied, optionally laminate for extra durability and allow 24 hours to fully adhere. If edges lift, reheat gently with a hair dryer and press with a vinyl roller. This reactivates adhesive and prevents peeling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.